take a little time off. Maybe I'll run into you down the road. Fell in love, Mike. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry I didn't find you well.
What do I mean to you?
What do you mean to me? Mike, you're my best friend.
I know I'm your friend.
So
That's okay. We can be friends.
I only have sex with a guy for money.
Yeah, I know.
The two guys can't love each other.
Well, I don't know. I mean, for me, I could love someone even if I, wasn't paid for it. I love you, and